Starting a YouTube channel used to take hours of work, but with AI, you can create videos faster than ever. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a YouTube channel using AI step by step. Hi, I'm Ava, and on this channel, I show you AI tools that can actually help you grow and make money online. The first step is choosing a niche. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas based on what people are already searching for. Some popular niches include cooking, fitness, motivation, and technology, just to name a few. Once you have an idea, you can use ChatGPT to write your video script. Next, you can turn your script into a voiceover using ElevenLabs. Just paste your script, choose a voice, and generate your audio. If you want to try ElevenLabs, I've added the link in the description below. After that, you can create your video using CapCut. Add your voiceover, stock clips, and visuals to match your script. Finally, create a thumbnail using Canva. Keep it simple, bold, and easy to read so people actually click. Once everything is ready, upload your video, add a title, thumbnail, and description, and you're ready to go. That's how you can start a YouTube channel using AI step by step. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tools and tips.